Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Galvanic cells can be tricky, but we will solve this fast. Let's find which electrode gains mass by checking the reduction potentials right now. In a galvanic cell, the electrode that increases in mass is always the cathode. This happens because reduction occurs there, turning aqueous metal ions into solid metal atoms on the surface.
Since the silver half reaction has a higher reduction potential than nickel, silver ions will be reduced. These silver ions gain electrons to form solid silver, which then deposits onto the electrode. This deposition of solid metal directly increases the mass of the silver electrode. That makes option A our final winner for this chemistry problem.
Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps.